to talk to you about OHLC data, which corresponds to open, high, low, close price data for cryptocurrencies. And I'm going to show you how you can extract this historical data for pretty much any cryptocurrencies and up to a 1 minute time frame, which is excellent. So just as a reminder, let's go on coinmarketcap.com and let's select, for example, Bitcoin, and I'll show you what is historical OHLC data. So here, if we choose this candlestick view instead, we have a candlestick for designated prices, and we can see that we are on 1 hour time frames. So basically, at the bottom of the candlestick lies the lowest price within this time period. The highest part of the candlestick corresponds to the highest price reached within this time period. And then if it's a green candlestick, the starting price or the opening price is lower than the closing price or the end price at this time period. So this lowest part of the rectangle will correspond to the starting price, also called the opening price, and the top part of the rectangle corresponds to the close price. And the inverse is true for the red candlestick, as can be seen also in this picture. In order to fetch this historical data, we'll be using CCXT, which is a package written in JavaScript, Python, and PHP. In our case, we'll investigate and use it with Python. And it allows us to connect to hundreds of exchanges through a unified framework, a unified API, which is excellent and makes our life much easier. This way we'll be able to fetch this historical data for all of the exchanges available on CCXT, among which you'll find the most famous ones such as Kraken, Coinbase, Binance, and also very small exchanges as well. So that's pretty convenient, and therefore you'll be able to get access to historical data for also very rare altcoin trading pairs. So let's dive into the code. As a starter into the code, we'll import some packages. One of the packages is CCXT, the module I just talked about, and if you need to install it, so you can either pip install it, or otherwise you can download the requirements.txt on my GitHub link associated to my GitHub account, which is ZachQuant. So once we have imported the data, then we need to initialize and set up basically the exchange from CCXT. Which exchange do we want to work with? In my case here, I decided to use Huobi exchange because it is quite a big exchange and it does not require any API keys to extract historical data, nor does it need to get a KYC account, so that's very convenient. We have this small function here which gets to fetch the starting date of the historical trading pair. Then we have this function here which walks through the API of the exchange and loop over it until it does have all the historical data. So now let's say, for example, I want the which pair do I want? Let's say Ethereum Classic, so ETC. I don't know if it's tradable on Huobi, but let's assume it does. And then we can choose 1 minute data or 1 day data or 5 minute data. In our case, because it's it may take a minute or so to download historical 1 minute data, I'll choose 1 day data. This way it will be shorter. So let's see. So now it is running and it should not take longer than 10 seconds to extract this historical data. So yeah, in 9 seconds it did extract it. Then we'll convert it to a NumPy array in order to be able to handle it. And now let's plot so the opening price of the Ethereum Classic data over 1 day. And there you go, there you have it. So that's very convenient. Again, here you can choose 1 minute data if you want to work with very thin data, but it might take a minute or so to download it. There you go. If you want to know more, consider subscribing to the channel and looking up my GitHub account. Take care.